Hi guys, today we're gonna be diving in on the different types of lashes and how to apply them. In the world of makeup now, and this has become a really new thing for lashes, and that is the felt tip lash adhesive pens. I love these things. I'm not gonna lie, I very seldomly go for a actual glue anymore now that I own these. So this is a black tip one, which is probably my favorite. You can tell I've used it a lot too because the little tip's starting to go. They also have clear ones. The only thing I don't really care for about the clear ones is they get really messy and dirty. Not that they don't work as well, but they look dirty because they're clear and you're always using them over top of product. It just doesn't look great. I have one I can show you. This is the clear one, and it started out clear and now it's just kind of like not black, but it just looks dirty. I don't know. I don't know. I also have found that the clear adhesive ones tend to not be as strong holding as the black. So this one is my absolute favorite. This is from Exo Lashes. They have amazing lashes too, but like I saw this on an ad and I was like, rose gold, sparkles and diamonds, lashes. Yeah, I need them. So I bought them. And then this was the other style that they have, is more of like a iridescent-y kind of sparkle. They're so pretty, but I love them. And this one here is my favorite. And I've bought a couple other brands that aren't as fancy with their packaging. And they work decently too, but the quality of this one is really great too. And I'll put a link in the description below for you guys to their site. I don't have like an affiliate code or anything with them. I just wanna make sure it's easy for you guys to find them if you wanna go ahead and order those. So, with this, you are literally just we're gonna do this. You're gonna take this and you're gonna draw a line as close to your eyelash line as possible, just like if you were drawing a wing, and you're going to go over like this here. Sorry, it takes a second. If you leave these, I will tell you another little semi-pro tip. If you leave these lying flat or standing up, you have to give them a couple minutes to let some of the product get to them. So I actually recommend that if you're gonna put them in like a container to have them on your vanity or something, to actually put them in facing down. That way the product is getting to the tip. So if you feel like you're going to brush it and nothing's coming out, give it a second, turn it upside down, give it a couple shakes, and that'll bring the product down. That was kind of like something I was like, wait, why isn't this working? And I had to put 2 and 2 together. And I am gradually making this line a little thicker just because I like to have a good surface area to apply the lashes. And I do bring it all the way out because depending on the lash you're using, you might need more space, and you can make your wing with this. So it's not like it's black, so it's gonna look like you have a wing. And then we're gonna take the lash that we're gonna use. Who am I gonna use? All right. So we're gonna go with Dollar Lash Club. And they have some awesome lashes, and I think they have a 30% off sale going on right now. They have mink lashes and fake mink lashes, so you can get either that you prefer. This is Rose is the name of these lashes, and they're like a little more of that kind of gradual, shorter to longer flare lash, which I really love. That's another style that I really love. And I will also link them down below. I do have an affiliate, I am an affiliate for them. So I will put my affiliate link there if you want to use it. I'd really appreciate it. It helps support the channel. If not, you can always just go to dollarlashclub.com and you can purchase them that way too, and my feelings will not be hurt. I just want to offer both options to you, and then you can choose. With the lash glue, we had to wait. With the lash adhesive, one of the other nice things is you don't have to wait. As soon as you put it on, it's tacky and it's ready to go. So there's no waiting involved. Same little tool here, and I'm picking where I want them to go. The only thing I will say too with the lash glue is the lash adhesive, it's a little harder to move them. Like it almost sticks a little too well, and it's a little harder to move them if they're not in the right place when you apply them. So you just wanna make sure you get them really close to the lash line, because if you don't, they're hard to move. And these are on now. They're not going anywhere. Like I obviously don't like rip your eyelashes out to test this theory, Like I've seen some people in like videos and they're like pulling their whole eyelid off. I'm like, why would you do that in real life? Like what situation are you putting yourself in that you would need lash glue strong enough to be able to pull your eyelid away from your head? I don't know. I'm not living that kind of life. So yes, a little tug, a little pull for wind, and like a child maybe like touching my face because I have little kids. Those are the scenarios I find myself in. So I do tug and pull a little bit to see how they're gonna hold up, but I'm not injuring myself to make this lash adhesive look better. So this is it on, easy peasy. Like I said, the benefits to this is you don't have to wait for the lash glue to dry. You don't have to worry about like getting too much glue on the lash and getting glue all over your eyelid. The downside to this is it does require you to draw a straight line on your lid, which for some people might be a learning curve that you have to figure out, and you might end up with some wonky looking situations in the beginning. The other thing you can do once you've applied this, if you feel like you wanna give this more of like an actual line and clean it up a little bit, is you can take like a normal eyeliner felt pen like this. This is like, this is the NYX one, Epic Ink Liner, which is really awesome. And you can just go right on top of that because now you have your lash band to use as a guide. So for all of us out there like me who cannot draw a straight line to save their life, this now gives me a guide and helps me make that nice straight line that I want, and it cleans it up. So that is always an option. I always recommend that. And same thing as I said with when you do the lashes with the glue, I would also just take this and touch this up and bring this all the way down into my corner because it does help hide that where the lash ends and where your lashes start. Let me know too if there's any other questions you have, and I can absolutely answer those if I didn't answer them in this video. Give me a little like on this video. I would really appreciate it. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that little subscribe button. And also make sure you hit that notification bell so you get notifications on any videos I do in the future so you don't miss anything that you really wanted to know. And thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you on the next video.